Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Hello Kitty macarons. First, ensure all your ingredients are at room temperature for best results. Sift your almond flour and powdered sugar together to remove any lumps, which is crucial for smooth shells. Then, whip your egg whites to stiff peaks before gently folding in the dry ingredients to create a perfect macaron batter. This careful process sets the foundation for delightful treats. Once your batter is ready, transfer it to a piping bag fitted with a round tip. Use a Hello Kitty template placed under your parchment paper to guide your piping for consistent shapes. After piping, firmly tap your baking sheets on the counter a few times to release any trapped air bubbles, preventing hollow shells. Let them rest for about 30 to 60 minutes until they form a dry skin, which is essential for developing their signature feat. Bake your macarons in a preheated oven at a low temperature, typically around 300 degrees Fahrenheit, for 12 to 15 minutes. The exact time can vary, so watch for the feet to form and the shells to be firm. Once baked, let them cool completely on the baking sheet before attempting to remove them. This prevents breakage. For decorating, use edible food markers for the eyes and whiskers, and a small amount of royal icing for the bow, bringing Hello Kitty to life. Now for the best part, filling your beautiful Hello Kitty macaron shells. You can use a variety of fillings, such as a rich chocolate ganache, a tangy fruit curd, or a classic vanilla buttercream. Pipe a generous dollop onto the flat side of one shell, then gently press another shell on top to create a perfect sandwich. Let them mature in the refrigerator for at least 24 hours for optimal flavor and texture. Remember to check the description for a link to some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.